Trading crypto perpetuals. How do you maximize gains with trading perps with minimal risk, right? So if you're new to perpetual futures, these are some of the most powerful tools in crypto trading. So they let you actually speculate on the price of an asset without owning it. So with the added benefit of leverage, and like traditional futures, perpetual contracts also don't expire, right? So that means that you can hold a position indefinitely as long as you have the margin to support that position. So whether you're going long or short, perps allow you to maximize the gains on small moves and also hedge your spot holdings or trade volatile markets without swapping tokens. So how crypto perpetuals work, it's simple. Let's say Bitcoin is 60,000. If you believe that it will go up, and if you open a long position using $1,000 at 10x leverage, now your exposure becomes 10,000. If BTC, let's say, rises just 1%, you can make 10% gain on your capital. So if BTC drops the same 1%, you lose 10%. So that's where perpetual futures are a bit great and a bit risky at the same time. The power of danger and rewards in leverage trading. So perps track the spot price using a funding rate, a mechanism to keep prices aligned, right? So this rate is paid between the longs and the shorts, typically every 8 hours. So there is two types of, I would say, trading perpetuals, right? So you could do isolated or cross margin. So margin mode, for example, being that funds are at risk. If it's isolated, right, only the margin for that trade is at risk there. If it's cross, you're really risking the entire margin balance. So the risk level becomes lower per trade with isolated, and obviously higher when it's shared across all positions with cross margined. So with isolated, I think is best for beginners, small size trades. Advanced traders with multiple trades maybe can use cross. Liquidation, obviously, isolated is isolated to that one position, and cross can cascade across the account. So start with isolated margin if you can to manage risk on each trade individually. So when it comes to understanding the liquidation mechanics and how to avoid getting wrecked, the liquidation happens when your margin can no longer support your position. It works in a very simple way where you have maintenance margin, the minimum you need to keep your position open, right? If the price moves against you and your equity drops below this margin, your position is liquidated. A liquidation engine forcibly closes your trade to prevent the platform from taking a loss. So to protect yourself, you need to use stop loss orders, set reasonable leverage, let's say 5 to 10x max for most traders. Monitor your funding rates and position sizes, right? Perpetual futures exchanges 2025. There are many different ones. I would say Gravity is one of my favorite, GRVT. It's a hybrid self-custody perp exchange, institutional grade matching engine, the zero knowledge tech built on ZK Sync, margin and cross. I support centralized, no centralized custody of your funds, right? You're always in control of your funds, which is absolutely fantastic. Clean, professional UI, good for beginners, serious traders, perfect for those who want 6-level performance with DeFi level controls. I think Gravity is the best option to check out if you haven't tried it. Incredible product, incredible team. Go check it out. Follow them as well. GRVT. Another one you can try, BitUnix, right? High leverage perp trading, made easy, up to 125x leverage, one-click leverage mode, smart, low latency order books, intuitive mobile apps for fast trading on the go. Perfect for traders who are looking for deep markets, average aggressive leverage, I would say, user-friendly interfaces, or Primex BT, one that's been around for the longest, multi-asset derivatives powerhouse, also trading crypto, forex, indices, all from one account, co-vesting, copy, trading features, low fees, high leverage, easy onboarding for beginners as well, cross market traders who want to diversify risk and opportunity there. So, of course, you need to think about risk management. If you're a perp trader, never using max leverage, unless you're scalping or you experience treating liquidation prices a stop loss, right? Don't forget to include your funding rate cost also in your strategy, and considering hedging your spot bags, shorting perps during bear trends. I think using 2FA on your accounts, withdrawing your gains regularly. And I think if you trade smart with perps, you can really be in the game and enjoy a great experience. Go check out Gravity, BitUnix, PrimeXBT, and so many other platforms that we recommend. The links are in the description. You just go to decentralized.news/ecosystem and get knowing all the best cryptocurrency exchange platforms, the best wallets, the best trading tools. If you're into iGaming, you can also check out the best Web3 iGaming platforms. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys.